Hey, hi guys, it's me Nigel, and today I got an interesting topic to share with you guys. Do you have any problem with maths? Don't worry guys, I have a solution guys. Let's move on to the video.
Now look at this, guys. This is my question.
A few moments later.
Now screenshot the question, guys. Now go to the Play Store and search for Max. After that, download the app and open it.
Wow, incredible!
Now tap on the image button and select your question, guys. Now crop your question and tap on the middle of the red button, guys. After that, wait for the answer.
2,000 years later.
Oh my God!
And here is the answer, guys. It's too easy, right? Other than that, you guys can tap on the answer and then look at the answer and got an explanation, guys. And this is my second question, guys. So I'm going to add my second question. And here's the answer with some example, guys. So it's easy, right? Yeah, guys. Thank you, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment, guys.